Hello and welcome back. You've got Scott from Jarhead and Ginger's Journey here, and today I'm going to unbox and show you what my new camera setup is going to look like for when we're out and about. I have the GoPro 7. I have two things here we're going to unbox, and we'll show you what the finished product looks like. So stay tuned. The first thing we're going to unbox is this Ulanzi version 2 case for the outside of the GoPro. I have the GoPro 7 Black Edition, and it's supposed to fit on there very well. So let's take this out of the box and make sure it fits. The reason I got this specific model is because it has the spot on it for the shoe for my microphone. That was the biggest part of this case itself, was the shoe, so I could fit my light, which I'm actually using right now. And if we did an unboxing on that one not too long ago. If you haven't seen that, I'm going to go ahead and link it right up here, so you guys can go and check that out after you're done watching this video. But this case has the shoe on it, so that's why I selected it. I can put my light on there, and then I can also put my my Rode video microphone on there as well, which I'm also using to film this right now. So let's see what this looks like when we get it out here. Alright, so we have a nice sticker and another sticker. ProMaster Vlog Plan, Facebook. They want you to go to Facebook and check them out there. Alright, so let's see what this looks like. Take it out of there. It's a heavy duty kind of a polymer or plastic. It's not heavy at all. It barely weighs anything. It has, like I said, the shoe for either the light or the microphone, and it has another piece that's inside of it so you can take it out. I guess that might be to get it a little bit higher. Not exactly sure what that's for. I'll have to do a little research on that, I guess. And then this back piece here is supposed to slide out, so there we go. Takes some doing to get that thing free, but once it pops free, it slides right out very easily. So let's make sure this fits. It's the GoPro 7 Black. Slides in there. Looks like it's going to have no issues. And make sure this goes back in. No problems. I can get to that. I can get to that. And I can also get to the button on the top. So I can get to the mode button on this side. I can get to the start stop button on the top. And I can also get to this door, which you can take that door off. And that's probably what I will have to do when I do use the microphone, because that's where I'm pretty sure this thing is going to plug into the microphone. Is going to be on that side. So there's the case, the Ulanzi V2 version 2 case. The next thing we have here is something that I'm not very happy about, that you actually have to buy. If you want to do the external microphone on the GoPro 7, you have to have this piece from GoPro. This little adapter that goes to USB-C and then has the pin connector for the microphone is about $50, guys. So this thing is as much as the microphone. I think the case was only about $14. But I will put links to all this stuff in the comments or in the show notes. So if you guys are interested in any of this stuff, you can go and pick it up. I ordered it all from Amazon, and it all came in about 3 or 4 days. So it was pretty easy, no hassle. But this thing being $50 and it's a must-have to run your microphone, not a big fan of that. But I am a big fan of the GoPro, so I went ahead and bit the bullet on this one. So let's see what this thing looks like. lifetime warranty information, the adapter piece, and that's all that was in the box, guys. So what happens with this adapter, if you look at the end here, it has a USB-C connection and it has the pin connection for the microphone. And this case has the slot underneath that holds this in it just right. So it's tucked in and it's out of the way. So that would go in there. This actually is going to end up plugging into the case on the, or the actual GoPro itself on the side here. And then I'll be able to mount my Rode microphone on the top, plug it in here, and then I'll be able to use the Rode microphone with my GoPro Hero 7. So let me go ahead and put this all together because I have to get it off of the camera I'm actually filming with now, and then I'm going to do a sound check on it with you guys. We'll do just a sound check with it on, with the microphone on it, and then we'll take the microphone off and do just a quick sound check again. And then you guys will be able to see the difference between with the external mic and without the external mic. I'm thinking it's going to be a fairly significant difference. So stand by 1 second while I get this thing together, and I'll be right back. There it is, all put together, guys. It's got the Rode Video Micro on top with the dead cat, and that's clipped right into the shoe on the top. And then the Ulanzi cage around the GoPro Hero 7, plugged in to the side there with the external microphone piece that comes from GoPro. And then the other side is where the microphone is actually plugged in to that GoPro piece. So that's what it's going to look like, and it's a lot lighter of a setup than what I have in my hands right now as I'm filming. I think it's going to be good. Next, we'll do the test to see if you can tell the difference on the microphone itself. And now the audio test. This one that we're doing right now is with the Rode microphone attached. So this is with the new external microphone. Test. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Next, we'll do it without the external microphone and see if you guys hear the difference. This one is testing without the external microphone. Test. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. If you like this video, please leave a comment. If you haven't done so already, hit the thumbs up down below and subscribe. It really helps our channel out, helps us bring you more content like this and further videos down the road. So there you have it, guys, the unboxing of the Ulanzi cage for the GoPro and the little GoPro piece that allows you to hook up the external microphone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on Jarhead and Ginger's Journey. Bye.